Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I'm going to be using these moulds today. I got them in my recent Temu haul, and I don't know if you can see the little birds. Very nice, make lovely ornaments. And I thought to myself, I'll do them in Aquacast and leave them natural, and then I can paint them. I've got these watercolors, metallic watercolors. They're just cheapies from the range. They're really lovely on watercolour paper, but I've never tried watercolour paints on Aquacast before. So I thought we'd make a couple of bird ornaments and see how the watercolours come out. Yeah, right, let's mix some Aquacast up and I'll be right back with you. I don't know how much they're going to take, so let's see how much we can fit in this bowl. I'd say 200 for one bird, possibly. I'll mix 200 up. Getting there. Close enough. 201. And for each 100 grams of powder, you need 35 grams of water. So let's get some water added, and like I say, I'm going to leave these natural. So 235s, 70. Let's get there. There we go. Let's move these out of the way. I don't normally pour the water in after. I normally pour the powder into the water, but I'm running out of bowls. I need to do some washing up. Let's get a stir stick and give that a mix. Right, let's see what this does, whether it's enough or not. We'll try the big bird first. Has he got a beak? Yes, he's got a beak. Let's squeeze that beak. I am going to be putting this on the vibration plate, but we still need to squeeze the little areas. Oh, this is going to be plenty for this one. Wow, that was spot on. And I'm just going to do the same for the little bird, but mix less, obviously. Pour the second one. Oh, bit lumpy that one. Oh yeah, very lumpy. Didn't mix that well enough. Didn't squeeze the beak on that one. Oh, there we go. And on the vibration plate it goes. As you can see, they move around quite a lot. I had to use my hand to steady it, and that is only because they're very top heavy. And all I did was I very, very lightly gave it some control. If you hold on to it too tight, then you'll be vibrating and not actually the Aquacast. So I'm just going to give that another minute and then I'll let them cure. Okay, let's get these demolded. Let's see if they come out easy. I think they will do. They feel alright. Is that not the sweetest thing? Oh, how lovely. The bottoms need sanding. Not a single air bubble. How wonderful. Let's see what this one's like. I'm making a mess on there. There we go. I've noticed the last couple of times I've got moulds from Temu, they've had like little blemishes in nearly all of them. I've just seen one somewhere there. You see it? Like little blemishes. Just very strange. Don't know where it is. Yeah, quite a few of them lately. Well, he's cute, isn't he? Very nice. Apart from that blemish, that's no air bubbles either. Very lovely. Tiny little blemish there. Right, I'll sand the bottoms. I'll sand the little blemishes. We'll get that sorted and then we can paint. I've got my watercolours out, as you can see, both packets. And I've decided, I think I'm going to paint them, or try to paint them, like blue tits. Because I think they're pretty colours. So, we'll start on the small one because it looks more like a blue tit, doesn't it? The shape. And I'm going to give you some music while I do this, and let's just hope that these watercolours work. Right, it's all dry now. As you can see, it's sort of separated, not going on very well at all. So I'm just going to put another layer and see how we go with that. Might not work, but we can only try, can't we? Still going on. It's pulling it off. It's not going to work. It's going to have to be acrylic paints, I think. So I'm going to try and wash this off, and then I'll come back as soon as they're dry. Right, as you can see, the green was alright, the blue and the black was alright. I couldn't wash that off, so that was fine. It was just the gold that was the problem. But we are going to use acrylics. I've tried it, it doesn't work. These particular watercolours, other watercolours might work, but these particular ones didn't work. So I'm just going to paint it in acrylic and make them pretty, hopefully. Right, as you can see, they're very, very different than a blue tit, aren't they? Just to confuse you. How sweet are they? Right, Mr. Editor walked in and I said, I can't do this. I'm not very good at painting small things. Now give me an extra large canvas and I can do something with it, but very small things, not very good. And he said, oh, get out. I'll sort it. And this is what he came up with. Aren't they wonderful? So this video is a joint effort. Well, they're always a joint effort, but I mean the crafting wise is a joint effort. Aren't they cute? Lovely penguins. I would never have thought of that, putting them as penguins. Right, it's been a bit different, this video, I'm sure. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm going to leave some photos at the end. Please look at them because he's made a bit of an effort to display them, should I say. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.